Hello friends, this is Shreya Bake's tuition class and today we are going to learn grammar past perfect continuous tense. So for that our formula is subject plus had plus been plus fourth form of verb. So we are taking some examples for that are I had been writing a letter. In this tense, we are going to show the action which is completed in the past but still going on continuously. Such type of action is said to be have in past perfect continuous tense. So for that, according to this formula, subject had plus been plus fourth form of verb. Here in this sentence, had is used for I. For this subject, had is used. Been this is used to show fourth form of the main verb. Had plus been. So had plus been, and fourth form of verb is writing a letter. So the meaning of this sentence is मैं खत लिखती आई थी और लिखता आया था. Means the action of writing a letter was completed but still going on continuously. So मैं खत लिखती आई थी और मैं खत लिखता आया था. Like that the second sentence is we had been playing cricket. Means हम क्रिकेट खेलते आए थे. Here in this sentence, had is used to show this subject. Had been plus playing cricket. हम क्रिकेट खेलते आए थे. Like that the third sentence. You had been swimming in the river. For this you subject, you is a subject, had is a helping verb, and been plus ing, been plus swimming, means swimming is a fourth form of the verb. Been plus ing, this is the fourth form of the main verb. This complete formula is to show that the action was completed in the past. Action of swimming in the river was completed in the past but still going on continuously. Means तुम नदी में तैरते आए थे. तुम नदी में तैरते आए थे means action of swimming was completed but still going on now. and was completed in the past. Like that, the fourth sentence. He had been eating a mango. वह आम खाता रहा था. He had been eating a mango means वह आम खाता आया था, खाता रहा था, और you can say खाता आया था. Means action of eating a mango was completed in the past but still going on continuously. Now, like that, the fifth one is Zarina had been cooking food. Means Zarina खाना पकाती आई थी. Means Zarina had been cooking food. From very past, Zarina had been cooking food. The action of cooking her food was going on from very past but still going on continuously. So Zarina खाना पकाती आई थी. These all are our sentences for past perfect continuous tense. From the first sentence, again we are taking I had been writing a letter, means the action of writing a letter was completed in the past but still going on continuously. For that, the meaning is मैं खत लिखती आई थी और लिखता आया था. From very past, this action was going on continuously and was completed in the past. We had been playing cricket. हम क्रिकेट खेलते आए थे. From very so many years, the action of playing cricket was going on in the past. You had been swimming in the river. तुम नदी में तैरते आए थे. He had been eating a mango. वह आम खाता आया था. Zarina had been cooking food. Zarina खाना पकाती आई थी. These all are our sentences for past perfect tense. Note it down and try to solve such type of sentences. You can prepare your own sentences also. Thank you.